Hello everyone, myself Khushi Thakur. I am from Guru Gobind Singh Polytechnic Nasik, second year electrical engineering, subject CNE, topic welding transformer, prepared by me and my two teammates Pooja Pawar and Shruti Godekar, guided by Professor More sir. Welding transformer. Nowadays we have many IC supplies, so the usage of welding transformer has significant role in welding compared to a motor generator set. When we need to use a motor generator set for welding, we need to run continuously, which produce a lot of noise. With the help of welding transformer, weld is done with the less noise. Now let us see in detail about welding transformer. Construction of welding transformers. First, welding transformer is a step-down transformer. Second, it has a magnetic core with primary winding which is thin and has large number of turns on one arm. Third, a secondary winding with less number of turns and high cross-sectional area on the other arm. Fourth, due to this type of windings in primary and secondary, it behaves as step-down transformer. Fifth, so we get less voltage and high current from the secondary winding output. This is the construction of AC welding transformer. Sixth, a DC welding transformer also has same type of winding, that only difference is that we connect a rectifier at the secondary to get DC output. Seventh, we also connect a inductor or filter to smooth the DC current. This will be the construction of DC welding.
Working of welding transformer. As it is a step down transformer, we have less voltage at secondary, which is nearly 15 to 45 volts, and has a high current values which is nearly 200 ampere to 600 ampere. It can also be higher than this value. For adjusting the voltage on secondary side, there are tappings on secondary winding. By this we can get required amount of secondary current for welding. These tappings are connected to several high current switches. Now one end of secondary winding is connected to the welding electrode and the other end is connected to the welding pieces. When a high current flows, a large amount of 12R heat is produced due to contact resistance between welding pieces and electrode. Because of this high heat, the tip of electrode metal sand fills the gap between the welding pieces. This is how a welding transformer works. Now see the diagram. Power control panel, return lead, torch assembly, tungsten electrodes, power source, inverter, power source, source control panel, power cable house, flow meter. Now see the diagram of welding transformer. There are two types of welding transformer, primary and secondary. Top of the welding transformer is handle, screw, moving core, fixed core, high, low, common, nut, phase 2, 115 volt, 380 volt, 0 volt, phase 1 core.
Here we see what is welding transformer. Welding transformer consists of step-down transformer with a strip secondary having an adjustable reactor in series with is obtaining dropping V upon I characteristics. The secondary is a tap to give different voltage upon current setting. Here is a diagram of transformer. Here we see advantages. Welding of bronze, cast iron and aluminum cannot be prepared anything like an effectively by DC generator. This welder is approximately maintenance free. Operating expense are fairly sensible. Initial cost is commonly very low. This is perfect for farm repair. Here we see disadvantages. The essential investment of cost is large. Skilled manpower is required. Main type of high voltage supply is required. Electric welding machine is very bulky. It is often need internal inspection. Here we see the four basic type of welding transformer are: first, the high reactance type; second, the external reactor type; third, the internal reactor type; fourth, saturable reactor type. Here we see conclusion. The method could possibly be used to transformer of electricity across the country via the power lines. The circuit was not supplying the most efficient maximum efficiency due to core losses not equaling copper losses. So if you increase the voltage out, then current out must be decreases. If you step out it, so that voltage output is double the voltage input. Thank you.